Breaking news from the Vatican, a new chapter in the history of the Catholic Church.
Habemus Papam.
Congratulations.
On May 8th, 2025, Cardinal Robert Francis Prevost of the Order of St. Augustine was elected by the College of Cardinals as the new Pope of the Roman Catholic Church. He has chosen the name Pope Leo XIV, becoming the first American-born pontiff and the first Augustinian pope in the modern era. Born in Chicago, Illinois in 1955, Pope Leo XIV has had a global ministry. A priest of the Order of St. Augustine, he served extensively in Peru as a parish pastor, diocesan official, and seminary professor. He became Bishop of Chiclayo in 2015 and was later naturalized as a Peruvian citizen. Ordained in 1982 and holding a doctorate in canon law from the Pontifical College of St. Thomas Aquinas in Rome, Pope Leo XIV brings with him deep theological knowledge and decades of ecclesial leadership. Under Pope Francis, he was appointed prefect of the dicastery for bishops in 2023, a highly influential role responsible for overseeing bishop appointments worldwide. That same year, he was made a cardinal, setting the stage for his election to the papacy following the passing of Pope Francis. Pope Leo XIV now takes the helm of the world's 1.3 billion Catholics, a shepherd known for his humility, academic rigor, and international experience. This historic election marks not just a change in leadership, but a powerful message of unity and global diversity in the Church. We'll be following closely as Pope Leo XIV begins his papal ministry. From Chicago to Rome, the world now looks to Pope Leo XIV. God bless our new Holy Father.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Like our videos to show your support. Share them with friends and family to spread the word.